Good day, viewers. Welcome to Global Perspective News. Let us update you with what is going on in South Africa. The Government of National Unity GNU Agreement in South Africa introduction and confirmation of the deal. In Cape Town, Gayton McKenzie of the Patriotic Alliance announced the formation of a Government of National Unity GNU involving the ANC, DA, and IF. This deal was confirmed by DA leader John Steenhuisen and ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula. The initial sign of this agreement was the DA voting with the ANC to elect Thoko Didiza as National Assembly Speaker and the ANC supporting the DA's candidate, Annelie Lotriet, as Deputy Speaker. Later, IF leader Velenkosini Fiki-Halabisa nominated Cyril Ramaphosa for president, which was seconded by the ANC, indicating the GNU was operational. Background and decision: Mbalula highlighted that the ANC's National Executive Committee (NEC) had decided to establish a GNU, engaging with most political parties except Akshansa, and a public statement of intent outlining foundational principles and priorities will be adopted by the GNU parties. This document is meant to ensure accountability and build trust. Additionally, the parties have committed to an all-inclusive national dialogue process involving civil society, labor, business, and other sectors to address national challenges and develop a national social compact aligned with the National Development Plan. The ANC circulated the statement of intent and started signing agreements with willing political parties, including the DA. Steenhuisen emphasized the DA's commitment to working with the ANC and other parties to create a clean, transparent government focused on addressing poverty, unemployment, and electricity issues. However, the Progressive Caucus, comprising Al-Jama'ah, African Transformation Movement (ATM), EFF, PAC, United Africans Transformation, and United Democratic Movement, expressed dissatisfaction. They claimed the ANC did not properly consult them in the GNU formation process. ATM leader Viawethu Zungula accused the ANC of misleading the public by creating a coalition under the guise of a GNU without equal consultation of all parties. Zungula and other Progressive Caucus members argued that the ANC's actions resulted in a coalition favoring specific parties and excluding others who disagreed with certain programs. PAC President Mzwanele Nyahanso initially showed willingness to engage with the ANC but later supported the Progressive Caucus's call for broader consultation. The formation of the GNU marks a significant shift in South Africa's political landscape, emphasizing coalition governance. While the main parties involved express optimism about working together for the country's future, dissent from the Progressive Caucus highlights ongoing challenges in achieving inclusive political cooperation. Observing a Government of National Unity GNU in action can be a pivotal moment for citizens, as it marks a shift toward coalition governance aimed at addressing national challenges through collective effort. Here is some advice for those watching this development. Stay informed, follow reliable news sources. Keep up to date with developments by following reputable news outlets and official statements from the involved parties. Understand the statement of intent. Familiarize yourself with the foundational principles and priorities outlined in the GNU's public document. This will help you understand the goals and commitments made by the participating parties. Engage critically, analyze actions, not just words. Pay attention to the actual policies implemented and whether they align with the promises made. Look for tangible outcomes rather than just political rhetoric. Evaluate accountability. Observe how well the parties hold each other accountable. Effective governance requires transparency and responsibility, and the GNU should be scrutinized for how it manages these aspects. Participate in national dialogue, wage in public discussions, take part in the national dialogue processes that are expected to be inclusive of civil society, labor, business, and other sectors. Your voice and perspectives can contribute to shaping national policies. Provide constructive feedback. If you see areas where the GNU is falling short or succeeding, provide feedback through appropriate channels. Constructive criticism is crucial for continuous improvement. Support democratic process, encourage inclusivity, advocate for the inclusion of all political parties and societal groups in the GNU processes. A truly inclusive government is more likely to address the diverse needs of the population. Promote civic education, help others understand the importance and workings of a GNU. Educated citizens are better equipped to hold their leaders accountable and participate meaningfully in democratic processes. Monitor economic and social policy. Watch economic indicators. Observe how the GNU addresses key issues like poverty, unemployment, and electricity provision. Economic performance is a significant measure of the government's success. Assess social impact. Evaluate the social policies implemented, particularly those affecting education, healthcare, and social welfare. The effectiveness of these policies directly impacts the quality of life for citizens. Be patient but vigilant. Give time for transition. Recognize that forming a GNU and implementing new policies can be a complex and time-consuming process. Allow some time for the government to start delivering results. Stay alert for corruption. Be vigilant against any signs of corruption or malpractice. A clean and transparent government is vital for the success of the GNU. Advocate for fair representation. Toward fair representation, ensure that all regions and communities are fairly represented in the GNU. Equitable representation is crucial for addressing the needs of all citizens. Encourage fair treatment of opponents. Advocate for the fair treatment of opposition parties and dissenting voices. A healthy democracy thrives on diverse opinions and constructive debate. Conclusion: a government of national unity represents a significant opportunity for South Africa to address its challenges through collaborative governance. By staying informed, engaging critically, participating in national dialogue, supporting democratic processes, monitoring policies, being patient yet vigilant, and advocating for fair representation, citizens can play a crucial role in ensuring the success of the GNU. Your active participation and scrutiny are essential to holding the government accountable and fostering a transparent, inclusive, and effective governance system. Thank you for watching the Global Perspective News channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for you to be updated and to help us be motivated to make more videos like this one. From me, Clara, sign out.